Thanks to the boys from Grays Marine in Yamba in New South Wales here for showing us some of their builds and showing us through their shed. Got the 61 center console and 61 walk around. We got to see a new 61 walk around in its very early stages, and also the 3700 car topper go through those first stages of build. Really appreciate seeing those bits quickly come together, and hope you did too. It's great to get out on the 61 center console. It was really smooth riding out in a bit of chop there. Steve got a little bit jump happy there, and we got some good shots of that, I think. So we're going to head back to Brisbane this afternoon. It's been a really great stay here. We'll head back into the office and just get back into doing what we do best, which is designing boats. But we're going to continue to get out of the office and come highlight some of our home builders and professional builders like Steve at Grays, and show you what it's like to either build a boat like this for yourself, or get a professional to build it for you. We're going to be continually going out and seeing some of our builds, home builders and boat builders alike, and showing all of you that it's achievable. And guys that don't want to build, giving you some guys that will build it for you, like Steve. I can absolutely vouch for the quality work. So follow along and subscribe to this channel so that you can continue to see what it's like to build a boat in your home shed, or what it's like to own your own boat building business. I'm Marsh from CNC Marine. Thanks for watching.